Take out the IoT Internet module. Check if there is a complementary 4G card. If this calling card cannot be used locally, you need to buy a local phone card locally and plug it in. After inserting the phone card, connect the antenna. The antenna is convenient to transmit data. In this way, the product data can be received remotely through the mobile terminal of the mobile phone. Connect the antenna and then connect to the equipped adapter power supply. Power adapter generally be matched according to customer's local mains voltage used. If the adapter does not meet the customer's local power supply voltage, customers can purchase an adapter 12 VDC 1A the local. Then connect the power. After connecting to the power supply, you can see the red light on to indicate that the power supply is connected. The green light on the top is lit to indicate that the 4G network is available. The yellow light in the middle flashes to indicate that the network is detecting data. Indicates that the module can be used normally. Ready to connect the Internet module to power. Insert 4G card. Take out the cable we presented and plug it into the corresponding port. You can use this head to connect to the inverter if it can run normally. To monitor the battery pack, use the black port. Inverter communication plug into this port. Lithium battery communication is inserted into this port. High-level accounts can create multiple, secondary accounts for people to use. Long press here. Switching the battery pack and the inverter.